Hi everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to guide you through how to activate Reflex credit card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to activate a new credit card for Reflex, then go ahead and open up a web browser. In the URL box at the top, type in www.reflexcardinfo.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official site on the next page. You'll be able to see an Activate My Card button at the very top of the screen. Give it a click and enter your information available on your Reflex credit card. You'll need to type in the last 4 digits of the credit card in the first text box. Go ahead and type in the information available on your credit card and head over to the next field and type in the last 4 digits of your social security number. Type in your zip code and after entering all of the information correct, click on Activate My Card button. Once your information is correct, you'll be able to activate your Reflex credit card online with a few simple steps. That's how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Stay tuned till then.